Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring the top 4 DJI drones that represent the very best in aerial technology. DJI has long been the leader in consumer and professional drones, and this lineup proves why. From compact flyers, perfect for travelers, to flagship models trusted by filmmakers, these drones deliver stunning visuals, intelligent flight features, and performance that sets the industry standard. Whether you're a hobbyist, a content creator, or a professional pilot, these drones will elevate your creativity to new heights. Let's dive into the countdown. Number 4, DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a compact powerhouse that redefines what sub-250 GE drones can achieve. With a 123-inch CMOS sensor, it captures 4K to 60 HDR video and 48 MO stills, delivering professional-level quality in a drone that fits in your pocket. Its standout feature is true vertical shooting, perfect for social media creators who want content optimized for platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Flight performance is impressive, with up to 34 minutes of flight time and DJI's OcuSync 4 transmission providing 20 km range. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing adds safety, making it one of the most advanced drones in its weight class. Intelligent modes like focus track, master shots, and hyperlapse make cinematic storytelling effortless. Whether you're tracking a moving subject or creating dynamic time lapses, the Mini 4 Pro automates complex maneuvers with precision. Design is sleek and foldable, with a lightweight build that makes it perfect for travel. Despite its size, it feels premium with features that rival larger drones. For creators, travelers, and hobbyists, the Mini 4 Pro is the ultimate blend of portability and performance. It's a drone that proves small can be mighty, offering freedom and creativity without compromise. Number 3, DJI Air 3. The DJI Air 3 is a versatile mid-range drone that bridges the gap between portability and professional performance. Its defining feature is the dual camera system, a wide-angle lens and a 3x medium telephoto lens. This combination allows creators to switch perspectives seamlessly, capturing both sweeping landscapes and intimate close-ups without changing drones. Video quality is exceptional, with 4K 100 HDR recording and support for 10-bit D-Log-M color profile, giving professionals greater flexibility in post-production. Still photography benefits from high resolution and dynamic range, making it suitable for both casual and commercial projects. Flight performance is strong, with up to 46 minutes of flight time, one of the longest in DJI's lineup. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing ensures safety, while OcuSync 4 transmission provides stable connectivity over long distances. Intelligent modes like waypoint flight, focus track, and quick shots make complex maneuvers simple. Vertical shooting modes optimize content for social media, while advanced tracking ensures subjects remain perfectly framed. For those who want a drone that adapts to multiple shooting scenarios, from cinematic landscapes to dynamic action, the DJI Air 3 is a perfect choice. It's a creative tool that empowers storytellers to capture the world from every angle. Number 2, DJI Mavic 3 Classic. The DJI Mavic 3 Classic is a professional-grade drone that brings flagship imaging to a wider audience. Its defining feature is the 4.3-inch Hasselblad sensor, delivering 20 megapixel stills and 5.1K video at 50 FPS. The Hasselblad Natural Color Solution ensures accurate, lifelike colors straight out of the camera, while 12-bit RAW support provides maximum flexibility for professional workflows. Flight performance is equally impressive, with up to 46 minutes of flight time and omnidirectional obstacle sensing. The OcuSync 3 Plus transmission system delivers stable connectivity over 15 kilometers, ensuring reliable control and live feeds. Intelligent features include advanced RTH, return to home, focus track, and waypoint flight, making complex missions simple. Combined with its robust build and premium design, the Mavic 3 Classic feels like a true flagship. For professionals, this drone is a game changer. It's trusted by filmmakers, surveyors, and content creators worldwide for its unmatched imaging capabilities. The Mavic 3 Classic isn't just a drone, it's a complete aerial production system, offering flexibility, reliability, and cinematic excellence. Number 1. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. At the very top of the list sits the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, the ultimate aerial imaging machine. Its defining feature is the triple camera system, including a 4.3-inch Hasselblad sensor, a medium telephoto lens, and a long telephoto lens. This setup gives creators unparalleled flexibility, from cinematic wide shots to detailed zoom perspectives. Video quality is world-class with 5.1K resolution at 50 FPS, 4K 120, and support for Apple ProRes on higher models. The Hasselblad Natural Color Solution ensures accurate, lifelike colors straight out of the camera, while 12-bit RAW support provides maximum flexibility for professional workflows. Flight performance is equally impressive with up to 43 minutes of flight time and omnidirectional obstacle sensing. The OcuSync 3 Plus transmission system delivers stable connectivity over 15 kilometers, ensuring reliable control in live feeds. Intelligent features include advanced RTH, focus track, and waypoint flight, making complex missions simple. Combined with its robust build and premium design, the Mavic 3 Pro feels like a true flagship. For professionals, this drone is a game changer. It's trusted by filmmakers, surveyors, and content creators worldwide for its unmatched imaging capabilities. The Mavic 3 Pro isn't just a drone, it's a complete aerial production system offering flexibility, reliability, and cinematic excellence. If you want the very best in drone technology today, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro is the clear choice. It's the ultimate tool for capturing the world from above, setting the standard for what aerial creativity can achieve.